let's resume. Kasi kanina pa tayo nag-start. Alright, so any questions so far regarding with this one? Converting a decimal to binary. So kung sa kanina, ito, any base to decimal, multiply. Ito naman, division. And then, yung pinaka-final answer nyo is kukunin nyo sa remainder. Okay? From bottom to top. So, kailan kayo titigil mag-divide? So, titigil kayo mag-divide kapag hindi na siya divisible. Okay? So, 1 divided by 2 is cannot be. Okay? So, yung integer quotient nyo is 0. And then, kung ano man yung pinaka-last na number, so, ilagay nyo lang siya as a remainder. Okay? So, 1101 base 2. Okay, so let's have another example. Find 37 base 10 to binary. Okay, so again, compare nyo lang to 37 and then kung ano yung pagko-convertan nyo, kung ano yung kailangan nyong makuha, so yun yung dividend nyo. So dito, kailangan nyo siyang i-convert into binary. So ito yung dividend natin. So 37 divided by 2 is 18, remainder 1. And then kunin nyo lang to. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Of course, remainder 0. 9 divided by 2 is 4. Remainder 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Remainder 0. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Remainder 0. And then 1 divided by 2 is cannot be. So dito na titigil. And then just put here 0. Okay? Since wala naman tayong makukuha talagang whole number. So take note, integer quotient to. So whole number lang yung ilalagay nyo dito. So dito, 1 divided by 2 is cannot be. Okay? And then, lagay nyo lang yung pinaka-last number dito. And then, yan na yung pinaka-final answer nyo. So read it from bottom to top. So 100, 101. Which is this one. Okay? And then again, do not forget to put the base. So this is an indicator that you have already converted the decimal into binary. Okay? So did you guys get this one so far? Or more example? Question or clarification? Or nagets naman? So please type gets naman or hindi na gets kung hindi na gets. Naintindihan po, sir. Sabi ni Miss Peppy. How about the others? Did you guys get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Okay. Alright, so let's move on to the next example. Hindi na pala to. Example pa rin. So ito naman is octal na. Okay? So kanina is binary. From decimal to binary. And then this one now is octal. Okay? So convert 2010 decimal to octal. So yung dividend na natin is 8. Okay? Since ang base ng octal is 8. So 2010 divided by 8 is 251. So para makuha nyo to, ang gawin nyo is literal, i-divide nyo siya 2010 divided by 8. So meron akong gamit na calculator. Ang makukuha nyo is 251.25. Okay? So try nyo rin. Ang makukuha nyo is 251.25. Ang kunin nyo lang is yung integer. Okay? Yung 251 lang. Kasi nga, integer quotient to. Hindi nyo pwedeng idamay yung point something. So, 251 times 8 is 2008. So, 2010 minus 2008, of course, 2. So, yun na yung magiging remainder natin. Okay? So, ganun lang yung process kapag sobrang laki ng number, kapag hindi na kayang i-manual gamit yung utak. So, 251 divided by 8 251 divided by 8, then you will get 31.375. So take note, integer quotient, kunin nyo lang yung whole number which is 31 and then disregard that 0.375. So ang gawin nyo, pwede nyo rin actually gawing, ano ba yung nakuha natin kanina? Check ko lang para mas mabilis kung pwede to. 2010 divided by 8 is 0.25. So pwede nyo multiply yung 0.25. Kanina dito, di ba? 251.25. So pwede nyo i-multiply itong 0.25 sa 8. Okay? Para makuha nyo yung remainder. So 0.25 times 8 is 2. Ganun na lang para mas mabilis. So 251 divided by 8 is 31.375. So 31 yung whole number and then 0.375 times 8, 0.375 times 8 is 3. And then that would be your remainder. So 31 divided by 8 is, ito kaya nyo na i-manual to. So 3 and then remainder 7, 8, 16, 24. Okay, so 24 or 31 minus 24 is 7. And then 3 divided by 8 is cannot be. So, kunin nyo lang yung remainder. O yung pinaka-last as a remainder. And then, that would be your final answer. So, kailan kayo titigil kapag 0 na yung integer quotient. Okay, so the final answer is 3,732. Base 8. Okay? So, ganun lang naman kasimple. Get so far? Gets nyo? Or sinong nagtatest pa rin or nagtatry? So, I hope may mga calculator kayo para mas mabilis. So, sino na nakakuha or sino na nakagets?
Sir, paano naging 7 yung remainder ng 31 divided by
31 divided by 8. Kung gagamitin mo yung calculator, 31 divided by 8 is 3.875. Diba? So, 3 yung sa integer quotient and then 0.875. 0.875 times 8. You will get 7. 0.875 times 8.
Okay.
Heads? Or pwede mo yung manual. Diba basically 8, 16, 24. So hindi naman na pwedeng 32 kasi hanggang 31 lang. So 24 yung makukuha mo. So 31 minus 24 is 7. So yun yung remainder. Okay. So may mga ibang clarification pa? Miss Febby?
Yes, sir.
Okay na? Nakuha mo na?
Gets po, sir.
How about you, Mr. Gerald?
Gets, sir.
Okay. How about Miss Jessica?
Okay na, sir.
Okay. How about Mr. Almacen?
Yes, sir.
Gets? Hindi.
Gets, sir.
Okay, that's good. How about you, Mr. Arsen? Mr. Arsen? Is your mic working?
Gets na po.
Okay, how about you, Miss Alexandra?
Gets po.
That's good. Alright, so let's move on. So, convert 2010 to hexadecimal. So, kung kanina, octal, so yung dividend natin is 8. Ngayon naman, yung dividend natin is 16. Okay? So, same process. So, 2010 divided by 16, and then you will get 125.625. So, yung nakuha natin dito is 0.625. So, 0.625 times 16 is 10. So, yung remainder natin is 10. Okay? So, I hope nagets nyo kung paano nakuha yung remainder. And then, kunin nyo lang to. Lagyan nyo dito 125 divided by 16. 125 divided by 16 is 7.8125. So, 0.8125. So, 0.8125 times 16, then you will get 13. And then 7 divided by 16 is cannot be. So, just put here 0, and then whatever is the last number here will go to the remainder or as your remainder. And then kapag 0 na to, then that would be your final answer. And then, yun. So, doon ka natitigil. So, 7, 13, and 10. So, since hexadecimal to, so tumatanggap siya ng 2 digits. Okay? Pero yung 2 digits, 2 digits na yun is meron siyang equivalent number wherein 10 is letter A, 11 is B, 12 is letter C. So, pasensya na. Medyo maingay. And then, 13 is letter D. Okay? So, I hope clear yan. So, yung final answer natin is 7B8. Base 16. Okay? So, I hope clear ito. Nakuha nyo naman so far? Or meron pang medyo naguguluhan? So, pag decimal to any base, so nakadepende lang yung dividend nyo sa pagko-convertan nyo. So, ito, gusto nyo i-convert sa hexadecimal, then dapat yung dividend nyo is 16. Kapag i-convert nyo ng octal, so dapat yung dividend nyo is 8. Kapag i-convert nyo ng binary, so dapat yung dividend nyo is 2. Kapag any other base, let's say 5, so yung dividend nyo naman is 5. So, okay na sa part na to? Sabi kayo pag, hindi pa, wait lang sir, ganun. Ina-analyze pa namin, okay lang naman eh. So, yung nadagdag lang dito is ito. So, kapag yung remainder niya is 2 digits na, which is okay pa rin naman, pero meron siyang another conversion. Okay, kapag 10, letter A na yun. Kapag 13, letter D. Okay na? So, sinong hindi pa ready?
Sir, paano po kapag 16 yung remainder?
Pag 16 yung remainder, yun na yung magiging 10. Dito. Pero wala namang remainder na ganun. Since kapag 16 ang remainder, under na siya ng 16. Ito, ng hexadecimal. Maliban na lang kapag siguro kapag yung end base natin is 18 or 17, baka meron chance na ganun. Pero hindi pa ako naka-encounter ng ganun. Pero kung sakali man, kapag 16 na yung remainder, which is hindi na siya part ng hexadecimal, so 10 na yon. Nagaya dito kanina. Oops, hexadecimal. Ito. So 0 to 9, and then E to F. Ito yung 1 to 15 natin. After neto, yung 16 is 10 na. 10 to 19, and then 1, 8 to 1. Okay? Pero,
Yes, sir.
wala naman siguro ang magiging ganun. Wala pa akong binigay. Wala naman ako naibigay na ganun yung sagot. So, wala magiging problema ng ganun. Okay, so any other question or clarification? Okay na po, sir. Okay, good, sir. Sabi ni Miss Jessica. And then Miss Feby. Alright, so let's move on. Mahaba-haba pa to. Pangatlong kuha na natin to Zoom meeting pero kalahati pa lang. Okay, so convert 2010 to base 12. So again, ito na yung magiging dividend natin. So 2010 divided by 12, you will get 167.5. So 0.5 to. So 0.5 times 12 is 6. So yun yung way para makuha nyo yung mabilis yung remainder. And then 167 divided by 12, you will get 13.91 or 0.9166667. So actually, medyo mahaba ba na to? Try natin kung same pa rin ba. 0.916 times... Ayun. So, eto, 13.9166667. Actually, yun yung pinaka-exact. Actually, parang 7 decimal siya. Pero pwede nyo, kunin nyo lang yung 2 or 3. Ang makukuha nyo naman, kapag multiply nyo to, 0.916 to 12, makukuha nyo is 10.992. So, pag ganyan, pwede nyo nang i-round off. So, yung 10.992 is magiging 11. Okay? And then 13 divided by 12 is 1. Remainder 1. 1 divided by 12 cannot be. So, 0 na to. And then, kung ano yung pinaka-last, will go here. Okay? So, convert nyo lang to. 1, 1. Same pa rin. Pero yung 11 is letter B na. And then 6. And then base 12. So 1, 1, B6. Base 12. Okay? Next one. So exercise nyo dapat to, pero wala na ulit tayong oras, so hindi ko na ibibigay. So again, pag magkakaroon kayo ng activity, quiz na lang kagad kapag natapos na natin tong module na to. Okay. So ngayon naman is converting decimal to fraction. So kung kanina, converting decimal as a whole number, ngayon naman, converting a fraction, a decimal fraction, to any other base. Okay? So here are the steps. So letter A is repeatedly multiply the given decimal fraction by the base. For example, we want to convert that 1 to 2, 8, 16, where you want it to be converted to. So kung n base siya, so pwede rin naman 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11 hanggang 15. Okay? And then separate the product's integer from its fractional part. And then record the product's integer. And then if the product's fractional part is already 0, write all the tallied products integer by reading them in downward direction. So kung kanina, upward from bottom to top, ito naman from top to bottom. Okay, so let's have an example. So example number 1 is decimal fractions to binary. So convert 0.625 base 10 to binary. So gusto nyo i-convert sa binary, ito na yung magiging multiplier natin. So take note, kapag fraction, multiply ang gagamitin nyo, hindi divide. Okay? So ito, 0.625 to binary, so times 2. So 0.625 times 2 is 1.25. So use your calculator para ma-check. So lagyan nyo lang dito yung integer or whole number and then dito naman yung fraction. And then, kunin nyo naman dito ngayon yung fraction. Okay? So, medyo nakakalito pero kayang-kaya nyo yan. So, kung kanina, sa integer yung kinukuha nyo, ngayon naman, yung fraction na yung kukunin nyo. Okay? So, one more tip na masasabi ko is kapag whole number din yung kukunin nyo dito. Pero kapag fraction din yung kukunin nyo dito. Okay? So, 0.25 times 2 is 0.50. So, of course, zero integer natin kasi 0.50 ngayong sagot. Wala namang whole number doon. And then, 0.50 times 2 will be 1. And then, kapag 0 na yung sa fraction nyo, and then that's the time that you will stop multiplying. Okay? And then kung ano man yung pinaka nakuha niyong sagot sa integer part, read it from top to bottom. So 101 base 2. Okay? And then since fraction to, so do not forget to put the 0 point. Okay? This one is 0.101. Okay, so I'll give you guys 1 minute to analyze. So pag decimal fraction to any base, multiply. Kapag decimal, integer or decimal whole number, divide. Question? Question or clarification? So sino nang tapos mag-check kung tama to? Or sino nang tapos mag-analyze? Or sino nang nakagets? Alright, so magtatanong na lang ako para alam ko yung progress nyo. Hindi naman pwedeng maghintay na lang tayo dito ng 20 minutes. Okay, Mr. Michael. Nagets mo naman tong part na to? Decimal fraction to binary? Or hindi pa gaano? Mr. Arsan? Mr. Gerald?
Gets, sir.
Okay, so please may nakakuha ang isa. Mr. Almasan?
Okay na, sir. Okay po.
Okay, okay. Miss Alexandra?
Sir, gets po.
Okay, very good. Miss Feby?
Naintindihan po, sir.
Okay. Miss Jessica?
Okay po, sir.
Okay, okay. So, gusto ko sana kapag, let's say, katatapos ng example ko, pag may question, tanong ka agad. Okay? Kapag nagets, yun. Pag sinabi kong nagets niya ba, so sagot ka agad kayo, gets. Nagets sir, okay lang sir. Or kapag hindi nyo naman nagets, wait lang sir. Ina-analyze pa namin or ina-analyze ko pa. Bibigyan naman ako ng spare time. Okay, para lang alam ko na iniintindi nyo pa or hindi nyo pa naintindihan. Okay? So next one, another example. So 0.6875 base 10 to binary. So again, same pa rin. So yung multiplier natin is 2 since we want to convert this 1 into binary. So kunin nyo lang to 0.6875 times 2, then you'll get 1.3750. So lagay nyo lang dito yung 1, lagay nyo dito yung 0.3750. And then 0.3750 times 2, you will get 0.75. Okay? And then 0.75 times 2, you'll get 1.5 or 1.50. And then 0.5 times 2, of course, 1 na to. And then 0 na yung fraction natin. So again, kapag 0 na ulit yung fraction natin, then that's the time that you will stop multiplying. So kung ano man yung nakuha niya sa integer, then get it from top to bottom. 1, 0, 1, And then do not forget to put the 0 point something. So 0.1011 base. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's good. So how about the
Okay
others?
po.
Okay lang naman? Same pa rin naman siya dito sa example na to. Nadagdagan lang.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's good. Alright. So next one is convert this decimal fraction to octal. So ngayon, octal na yung kailangan natin pag-convertan. So ngayon, ang gagamitin natin multiplier is 8. Okay? So 0.35937.5 times 8, then you'll get 2.875. And then, so habang ginagawa ko to, dapat chine-check na rin sa calculator para kapag sasagot kayo soon, alam nyo na kung paano talaga nagawa. Hindi lang yung, kapag multiply mo to by 8, makakakuha ka ng 2.875. So check nyo rin, recheck nyo gamit yung calculator nyo. Okay? So lagay nyo lang yung whole number dito and then dito naman yung fraction. And then get the fraction part, 0.875 times 8, you'll get 7. And then, fraction is 0. So kapag 0 na to, stop na kayo. And then, kunin nyo na to, 27. So 0.27 base 8 since octal na to. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Alright.
Yes,
So
sir.
kung may mga question dyan, wag yes sir yung sagot mo. Sir, di ko po na-gets. Ganun lang kagad. Okay. Kaya mahiya kung sakaling hindi nyo naintindihan. Kasi kapakanan nyo naman yung nakasalalay dito, hindi naman ako eh. Huwag nyo pekehin yung sarili nyo kung hindi nyo talaga naintindihan. Sayang yung tuition fee. Okay? So, nandito kami mga instructor para i-guide kayo. Okay? Alright, so kung walang katanungan, let's move on to the next one. So, example number 3. So, this one now is a combination of whole number and a decimal fraction. Okay, so we have a decimal and then a decimal fraction. So, pwede nyo siyang isolve separately. So, kagaya ng ginawa natin, whole number muna, itong process na to. So, kapag whole number, divide. Kapag fraction part, multiply. Okay? So, itong part na to, gusto nyo convert into hexadecimal. Okay, so dito muna tayo, 3023. So, kapag whole number, divide. Okay? So, 3023 divided by 16, then you'll get 188 point something. So, check ko lang. 3023 divided by 16. Ayan. So, you'll get 188.9375. Sana yung aking lapis? So, 0.9375. So, just multiply this part, 0.9375 to 16. 0.9375 times 16, then you'll get 15. Okay? Then, kunin nyo lang to sa integer part. 188 divided by 16, then you'll get 11 point something. Kung ano man yung nakuha yung decimal dito, multiply it to 16, then you'll get 12. And then, 11 divided by 16 is cannot be. So, kapag hindi nyo ma-divide, just simply put here 0. Then, kung ano yung pinaka-last, put it to your remainder. Okay? And then, kapag 0 na to, then that's the time that you'll stop and then get this one from bottom to top. So, 11 is letter B, 12 is C, and then 15 is F. So, the final answer of this one is BCF. And then that. So, for the decimal part, ito naman yan. So, multiply naman yung kailangan natin gawin. So, 0.3203.125 times 16, then you'll get 5.125. And then 0.125 times 16, then you'll get 2. Okay? Kapag 0 na yung sa fraction part natin, kunin nyo na yung nasa integer part. So, read it from top to bottom. So, 0.52. So, easily parang pwede mong i-separate yan para hindi kayo maguluhan. Ito yung whole number part natin. Ito naman yung fraction part. And then combine nyo lang yung dalawa. So BCF to, and then 52 naman to. Thus, getting a BCF at 52. And then may kulang dito. Base 16 dapat. Okay?
Gets, sir.
Okay, that's good. So, how about the others?
Gets po, sir.
Analyzing, sir.
Okay. Alright. So, I hope yung mga ibang hindi sumagot, okay lang din, naintindihan nyo rin. Okay, moving on. So, supposedly again, meron ulit kayong activity. Pero again, wala na tayong oras. So, ibibigay ko na lang yung quiz nyo as a one quiz of this module. So, combination siya ng lahat-lahat na. Binary to decimal, decimal to binary, and so on and so forth. So, marami pa. Okay? So, as a summary, yan, pwede nyo i-convert yung decimal to n-base, decimal to binary, octal, hexadecimal, and so on and so forth. So, medyo magulo tong graph na to. Pero, ganun. Pwede nyo siya i-convert into like that. Okay? Alright, so next one is hexadecimal to binary conversion. So, ito, sobrang dali na lang nito. Okay? Parang i-reverse nyo lang yung ginawa natin kanina. So, kanina meron tayong decimal to binary. Okay, ngayon naman, binary to hexadecimal. So, nadagdagan lang tayo ng, saan na yun? Dito. So, kung sa decimal, 0 to 9 lang to, which is 1001. Pero sa hexadecimal, letter A na to, okay, which is your 10, letter B is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? So, same process pa rin. Kung ano yung pinaka-right side will be 1. Kung ano yung pinaka-left side will be, depende pala. So, 1, 2, 4, 8. Pero lagi naman sa 4-bit. Okay? So, first bit to, second, third, and then fourth. So, yung pinaka-right bit natin is 1, and then pinaka-left bit natin. Sa 4-bit lang to is 8. Okay, and then 2, 4 yung nasa gitna. Okay? So again, kapag 0, ibig sabihin deactivated siya or hindi counted yung value niya. Kapag 1 means activated yung value niya. Like this one. So dito, ang 1 natin is 1. Yung naka-1 dapat yung pinaka-right side. Kapag 2 natin, naka-1 dapat yung pangalawa. Since kailangan natin i-activate yung 2. Kapag 3, kailangan natin i-activate yung dalawa. 2 and 1. Okay? So 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 4, so basically yung pinaka-pangalawa. Ito, yung sa dalawa or pangatlo. Depende kung saan yung perspective nyo, kung from right to left pa kayo or left to right. Pero laging ganun. So, sa akin, from right to left na lang ako. Mas madali kasi. So, 1, 2, 4, 8. Or kung kabisado nyo na, actually, madali naman i-memorize to eh. Alam nyo na kaagad na ito is 4, ito is 8, ito naman is 2, ito is 1. Okay, so yung mga susunod mamaya, i-explain na lang natin or tutuloy na lang natin kasi I think nasa 45 seconds na lang natitira na Zoom meeting natin yun. So again, wait 5 to 7 minutes and then we'll continue this one. Alright, so yung may mga question, mamaya nyo na tanongin. Okay, so pwede na kayo mag-leave and then have a break.